Ungqongqoshe wemfundo ephakeme uthi esinye sezizathu esenze ukuthi afake iNSFAS ngaphansi kweso lomlawuli ukuthi kunemali ecela ku46 billion randi eyayibolekwe abafundi okubonakala ngathi angeke iphinde ibuye.
Some of the resources which we used to close the gap were resources which were the resultant of the repayment of loans, historical loans. So there were also issues around the historical loan book, which I had consistently raised with both the board and the administration.
uManamela uphinde wathi ukusula kwamalunga amaningi ebhodi leNSFAS ikhona okwenza lahlakazwa.
And I think it was also worrying that a chairperson was substantively appointed, a deputy chairperson who was substantively appointed, and also an interim chairperson whom I appointed had resigned in a short space of time. This is in about 6 months. And not only the 3 of them, 4 other members had also resigned. And I think this was quite concerning for me.
Lesikhwama safakwa ngaphansi kwesolomlawuli ngasekuqaleni kukaNhlaba kanti ke amalunga esikhombisa aleli bhodi anikela enkantolo ephakeme yaseGauteng ehlezi ePitoli ukuyophikisana lesi sinqumo sikaNgqongqoshe. Isicelo sabo kulendeleke silalelwe mhla zimbili kuNhlangulana.